can rhyme the lame a whole lot easier.
Fascinating, isn't it? The most exciting motion picture adventure of the year.
He's gonna cut me in half!
James and the Giant Peach. The story of a daring explorer.
Where are we?
His extraordinary friends.
We're lost. This is all your fault.
You
Littering nitwit. Bite me.
Have you two got mail?
and a bizarre world where anything can happen.
It's a giant shark!
What do we do?
Walt Disney Pictures. The Nightmare Before Christmas invite you to go over the edge.
Good heavens. He's committed pesticide.